Hey everyone, how are you? 2019. A new year. Around the world, celebrations were bringing in 2019. In Auckland, each new year, fireworks are let off on the Sky Tower. To be honest, it's pretty shit. For New Zealand to be the first country in the world to bring in the new year, it's actually embarrassing, to be honest. Pretty lame. I'm wondering, why don't they let off fireworks off the Harbour Bridge? They do it in Sydney. Why not in Auckland? Fireworks from the Sydney Harbour Bridge are let off, and they're pretty mean. Why not fireworks off the Auckland Harbour Bridge? I reckon they'll be pretty mean. They do it in Sydney. Why not in Auckland? Subscribe to Kiwi. Just click on the red subscribe button under this video. Once you finish watching this video, subscribe straight away. Otherwise you'll forget. Take care! Happy New Year! All the best for 2019. Already a few days gone. That's fast. Take care! Cheers!